Hello everyone, today we have a question from differentiation and integration. The first part involves differentiation and the second part involves integration. The source code for this paper is paper 1, variant 1, October-November 2024. The question says the equation of the curve is such that dy by dx is equal to 4x minus 3 under root x plus 1. Part A says find the x coordinate of the point on the curve at which the gradient is 11 by 2. Now you know that whenever you have been given the equation, आप उस equation को जब भी differentiate करते हैं, whenever you differentiate an equation, you always end up getting dy by d of x, and dy by d of x is always equal to gradient of the curve, provided that you have the corresponding x coordinate at which you are supposed to find out the gradient. ठीक है? So you are supposed to find out the gradient of the curve. अच्छा, the question has given you the reverse process. It has stated the gradient, and now it says that you have to find out the corresponding x coordinate at which the gradient was 11 by 2. The process is going to be very simple. You are simply going to replace dy by dx with the equation, the differentiated equation given in the question. That is 4x minus 3 under root x plus 1, and you are going to basically equate it by the gradient that was 11 by 2. अब आप इसको simplify कर लें. How you are going to simplify it? I'm going to multiply 2 with the other side. ठीक है? This turns out to be 8x minus 3 under root x plus 2 equal to 11. अब मैं 11 को दूसरी साइड पर ले जाऊंगा. So this is going to be 8x minus 3 under root x minus 9 is equals to 0. Now this is a technical point. Quadratics के चैप्टर के अंदर you might have studied disguised quadratic equation. What is the concept of disguised quadratic equation? ठीक है, I'm just going to give the overview. Whenever you have a situation कि जब आपके पास equation के अंदर x variables or whatever the variables you are being provided, उसके पावर्स के अंदर, उनकी पावर्स के अंदर एक रेशो एग्जिस्ट करता हो. कौन सा एक रेशो? 2:1 का रेशो. Those equations are quadratic equations. Now you see यहाँ पर आपके पास x की पावर है 1 and the other power that you are being provided with half. तो you can clearly see that यहाँ पर 2:1 का रेशो एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, which means that this particular equation is a quadratic equation. ठीक है? लेकिन there is a method to solve this quadratic equation. You can't just simply put this into the calculator to find out the answers. आप suppose करेंगे सबसे पहले. क्या चीज़ suppose करेंगे? You are going to suppose under root x with any variable that you wish. Any variable. For instance, I am supposing y over here. You can take any variable. फिर corresponding आपका जो x हो जाएगा वो क्या बन जाएगा आपका? This will turn out to be y square. ठीक है? अब आप बनाएंगे एक न्यू इक्वेशन. यू आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म अ न्यू इक्वेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ वाई वेरिएबल दैट यू जस्ट हैव सपोज्ड, जो आपने अभी सपोज की. ठीक है? दिस टर्न्स आउट टू बी 8y स्क्वायर माइनस 3y माइनस 9 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ दिस इज अ प्रॉपर लुकिंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दैट हैज़ अ पावर 2 इन इट. अब आप क्या कर सकते हैं? यू कैन आइदर पुट दिस थिंग डायरेक्टली इन टू द कैलकुलेटर और आपके पास आंसर्स आ जाएंगे, और यू कैन सिंपली use the quadratic formula to find out the values for y. I am going to use the calculator to save my time and find the answers. So the answers for y are 3/2 and the second answer for y is minus 3/4. ठीक है? Now you know that सवाल के अंदर originally you were provided x and under root x. You supposed y to solve the equation. So these y values are not the accurate values, not the actual values. आप इनको वापस y के अंदर पुट करेंगे जहाँ पर आपने इनको सपोज किया था, and then you are going to find the actual values that were needed in the question. ठीक है? So I'm going to replace them in supposition, और मेरा था यहाँ पे 3/2. So I'm going to simplify it. मैं दोनों साइड पे स्क्वायर ले लूँगा. So this under root x and the square is cancel out. My x turns out to be 9/4. ठीक है? This is basically the x coordinate that was required in the question. The x coordinate that the question was demanding, at which your gradient was 11 by 2. ठीक है. अच्छा. Now you might think why I have rejected this particular value of y. So you need to know that radical forms, that is basically forms that involve under roots, जिनमें roots आ जाए, they don't accept negative values. ठीक है, they don't accept negative values. So that is the reason I have rejected this particular value of y. This particular value of y. So this is basically my final answer. The x coordinate is 9/4. This was the part 1. I hope this is clear. Now moving on to the part 2. Part 2, which is integration. What does the question says? The question says, given that the curve passes through the point 4,11, find the equation of the curve. Now this is a very typical integration question where the examiner gives you a differentiated equation and gives you a point on the curve and then says that you have to find out the equation of the curve. That is very simple. क्या करेंगे आप? You are going to do nothing. You are just going to integrate the equation. Integrate the differentiated equation given in the question. ठीक है. My equation was 4x minus 3 under root x plus 1. ठीक है. And I'm going to integrate it with respect to x. You must know that जब भी आप किसी differentiated equation, that is dy by dx को integrate करते हैं, your equation turns out to be in forms of y. आपकी equation y के forms के अंदर आ जाती है. ठीक है. This is something important that you need to know. The next step is I'm going to integrate this particular equation. So my integration is going to be very simple. Power plus 1, 4x power plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, divided by the same power. That is the rule for integration. Then you are supposed to first convert this radical form into the index form. किस तरह करेंगे? This is going to be minus 3 power half. ठीक है. इसके अंदर मैं क्या करूँगा? प्लस 1 करूँगा. I'm going to add 1 to the power and I'm going to divide the same power in the denominator. That is 3/2. And plus 1 की डिफरेंस इंटीग्रेशन होती है आपकी x. And don't forget the plus c, that is the constant. ठीक है. क्या करूँगा अब मैं? थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेता हूँ उसको. जब मैं सिंप्लीफाई करूँगा उसको, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 2 1s 2 2s. आई एम गोइंग टू कैंसिल देम आउट. दिस इज 2x². अच्छा, अब you see that you have a denominator, you have a fraction in denominator. इसको मैं क्या करता हूँ? सिंप्लीफाई करता हूँ. I'm going to reciprocate it. जब मैं इसको रेसिप्रोकेट करूँगा, so this is going to turn out to be 6 and क्या बन जाएगा ये आपके पास? This is going to turn out to be 6/3. 6/3 x की power 3/2 plus x plus c. Then again I'm going to cancel them out. So this turns out to be the final answer to this integrated equation is, I forgot the minus sign, that is 2x power 3/2 plus x plus c. Your equation has turned from dy by dx into terms of y. आपकी equation y की terms के अंदर आ गई. ठीक है. Now you have a problem. Problem क्या है? You don't know the value of c. ठीक है. But the question has given you some certain coordinates जो कि आपके curve के ऊपर lie कर रहे हैं, that is 4,11. These coordinates are going to help you out find the value of c. तो आप क्या करेंगे? 4,11 equation में put कर देंगे. I'm going to replace y with 11 and I'm going to replace every variable x with 4. 4 3/2 plus 4 plus c. So by the help of calculator, my c turns out to be minus 9. Minus 9. So this was the value of the constant that was required in the question. And now my final answer, the final equation to the curve is y is equal to 2x² minus 2x power 3 divided by 2 plus x minus 9. That is the answer to part B. I hope you have understood this question. But if you have any questions regarding these questions or any queries, please let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.